Are you tired of spending hours brainstorming and organizing your YouTube content? Do you wish there was a faster way to come up with a solid video outline that actually adds value to your audience? OpenAI's Chat GPT might be the answer to your problems. And in this video, I'm going to show you how with this AI tool, in just minutes, you can have your videos outline or even a word-for-word script ready to go. No more stress, no more time suck. With Chat GPT, content planning has never been easier. Welcome back to Creator People. I'm Brandon, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to generate outlines or even scripts for your videos. Chat GPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, I can't believe I said that right, is a state-of-the-art language processing model that's been trained on a massive data set. It can generate human-like text by predicting the next word in a sentence based on the context you give it. Now, it can do the things you might expect, like language translation, question answering, and text summarization. But what really sets ChatGPT apart is its ability to produce highly coherent and fluent text, which makes it a powerful tool for content creation. You can use it to generate outlines and captions and subtitles and all kinds of things, but the best part is that it will save you a lot of time and mental energy. I'm going to show you exactly how to get an outline or a script out of it, but regardless of what kind of content you make, I think this is going to be really helpful to you. So please consider hitting the like button. I won't say smash or destroy or whatever, but consider hitting it so that YouTube knows that you're getting value out of it and will share it with other people who might get value too. Now, to get started, I'll put the link in the description down below where you can sign up for access to ChatGPT. You can just use your Google account if you're into that. But after you get in, you'll see this screen. Now, in order to get the best results out of ChatGPT for creating YouTube content, it's important to include certain variables in your prompts. These are things like your target audience, your niche, and the topic of your video. For example, if your video is going to be about DIY home improvements, a good prompt would be outline for a DIY home improvement video for homeowners interested in saving money. See, that's a little more specific than just like write me an outline on how to DIY things at home. You want to give it some information. Now, once you've got your prompt figured out, you can use ChatGPT to generate an outline for you. But you're not done yet. There are some really important tips you need to know on how to help ChatGPT craft an outline or script that sounds like it's coming from you. But before I get into those, I know some of you were like, well, this is not the struggle I've got. I really need to figure out like how to light myself better. What's up with your lighting? How'd you get it like that? Well, in a video I've got coming out pretty soon, I'll be breaking down some of the best lighting options for YouTubers in 2023. And if you don't want to miss that, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so that you get notified when it comes out. The first tip for refining your outline or script with ChatGPT is to personalize the generated text with your own voice. Review the text that was generated and then add your own examples, ideas, or personal experiences to make it sound more specific to your channel and your video's topic. Also, in your prompts, make sure you use specific keywords, like ones that you usually try to optimize for in your videos. These will be helpful context for the AI to generate a better outline for you. And customize the prompt to the style of the video. If you're making a review or a tutorial or a how-to, tell the AI what you're doing. It knows how to organize each of those different styles of videos. And consider segmenting your prompt, especially if you're creating a script and not just an outline. If you generate a full outline, you can ask it, okay, please generate a script for point 1. There's about a 4,000 character limit for every response, so doing this will allow you to get a lot more information out of it. And guys, don't be afraid to edit. In fact, I strongly encourage it. It's important to remember that ChatGPT isn't perfect, but by taking time to review and edit the outline, you can make sure it aligns with your goals and message for the video. Yeah, this entire thing was written by ChatGPT. There are a lot of feelings on this thing. I'd love to know yours down in the comments. But regardless of how you feel about it, I'm here to help you grow as a creator. Maybe this isn't what you need right now. Maybe what you need is help simplifying your editing workflow. Cool. I got a piece of content for that too. Click here.